tell you a funny story?
Yes.
I saw Oprah once making margaritas and she went like this. Her trick was to squeeze the lime in her mouth.
So you're like squeezing
it. It's probably only when I was cooking for myself.
I do want to ask just my own curiosity about cookbooks, cookbook authors. And so we're going to make this cauliflower dish and you've made it for the cookbook.
Yeah.
Do you make it, like do you actually come home and make that particular cauliflower like on a regular day?
I do make variations of a whole roasted cauliflower.
It's literally one of my favorite vegetables.
Yes. It's got a great texture. I'm going to do a green curry kind of sauce with coconut milk so it's a little more rich.
Okay.
And a little more saucy.
Let's
do it. So you just have to clean up this cauliflower. You have to be quite delicate because you want it to stay whole. So we're going to build this whole sauce, this green curry coconut milk sauce in the pan. A little bit of vegetable oil. Now we will just go right in the pan. You want to get them caramelized-ish. Onion and garlic we can do at the same time. I have to keep checking my actual cookbook.
Oh yeah.
Is that fine? Is that weird?
Yeah.
I feel like that's like cheating.
No, I do that. I think because people like us cook so many different things and we're constantly experimenting that you're right, when you go back to a recipe, you're like, wait a second.
I forget how I made it.
Did I use a half a cup of chia or a quarter cup of chia?
Yeah.
I can't remember yet.
We're just gonna stir everything in. So we're gonna stir in, these are dried lime leaves. You could use fresh kaffir lime leaf. We'll throw in the basil, we'll throw in the maple syrup. So we need some sweetness, right?
Honestly, and almost everything I make.
Yeah, you have to have it all. So fat, salt, sweet, savory, like umami, right?
And a little bit of sour.
We're gonna go lime juice.
Sour. Wow.
So now we're just gonna build the sauce. This will thicken, this will all come together. We're also gonna add the curry paste.
So it's coconut milk.
Coconut milk, maple syrup, the lime leaves, the Thai basil, salt I added. The onions and garlic should cook first, right? Because you wanna bring out all the flavor and caramelize them. And we'll just like bring it up to a heat like so it can bubble off and thicken a bit. All right, so now that the sauce has heated, reduced, it's all come together like a nice curry. It's not a trick, but you take your whole cauliflower and very carefully just place it in your skillet. That's why I like just doing this all in one pan, right? Because you can throw the skillet in the oven. So now we want all this juicy stuff to get in all the crevices of the cauliflower.
So smart.
This is what I think is missing from other whole roasted cauliflower recipes.
Yes.
Nobody's concerned about the inner weavings of the cauliflower. Right?
It looks perfect to me. Now this would be like a great sort of meatless Monday or something, so instead of a roast or a Sunday dinner, you know, it's,
So now we go into an oven that's preheated to 400 for 45 minutes.
400 for 45 minutes, okay.
Do you see that?
I see it, Lauren.
It's speaking. You know it's cooked inside because that steam's coming from all the inner little crevices.
Yeah, I feel like you made me a believer that cauliflower can be cooked whole. Can I just?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Like, can I?
You can do whatever you feel. It's hot, be careful. Oh. It's almost buttery, right?